Ooh, this shit about to be dope. Oh, what's up, YouTube? Alright, for today's project, we got the Black Panther. Why we call it the Black Panther? Because it's this. It's a Wakanda Forever Black Panther wrap. The door's up right now, but there you see Black Panther on the hood. A 2019 Dodge Charger Scatpack. So he recently installed the Lambo doors on it. So what I gotta do is I need to make some custom doors right here so he could put 3 6.5s in here. You know, in the factory spot you got one right there already, and then he brought me 2 more. And I'm gonna make it where they fit all in the door. So I kind of got an idea how I'm gonna do it. All I gotta do is just get to work, execute it, and hopefully come out the way it come out of my head. But yeah, that's the project for today. I'm trying to see how I'm gonna knock that out, and hopefully come out nice. Let's get to it.
I got Biscotti and Froze, big boss like I'm Rose. Ice and Wendy's, that's a domain. Low baddie, yeah, she homemade. Rep my city at the home game. Up and down and go both ways. And the sprinter is taking up both lanes. Hop in, we zooming, the package be booming. Yeah, we got it.
Oh, we're back at it. And it's day 2. And yeah, you see, we got all kinds of stuff. But we got one door done. And I didn't do too much video because I was in the process of trying to make sure I could got it right and all that. So I'm gonna show you how door number 1, the passenger side, came out. So now it's a custom door with 3 6.5s behind it, with tweeters built into the middle of each one of the 6.5s. So yeah, this door gonna get pretty loud. On Lambo doors at that. So that's kind of how it look. Right now I'm working on the driver's side. That's how it look bare. And I had fast rings on these doors. I did the doors before, like 2 times before. But I ripped all the fast rings off. And I'm gonna show you how I came up with the idea of doing it. I know we got different ways to do it, got multiple different ways on how to build speaker pods and speaker doors, but I did it my way. I didn't wanna just mangle the whole entire door. I want it to be savable. So with being savable, I wanted to try to keep some things still there. So I kept that pod right there, that 3-door pod right there, and all I did was I 3 stacks some wood right here, and with the 3 stacking the wood right there, I was able to give it the clearance for 2 more speakers to go right there with. These speakers got some big baskets in the back of them. So I'm gonna show you the little pods that I made. I say triple stack, but it's actually pretty much quadruple stack. So it's 2 pieces of MDF wood, then 2 pieces of birch wood. I primed them up. I'm gonna paint them black so they can't be seen underneath the grill and all that, and that make a quadruple stack. So I can put these speakers in with these big old magnets. Big old magnets. So yeah, this is the factory door. Now, right now I'm about to cut this door up and make this one custom too now. All right, let me get to work. All right. I got him done. Ain't get fully complete because he still want to add an amp to it and then tuning. You gotta know, people gotta understand, tuning a system can take hours. It could take an hour, hour and a half. It could take longer than that, depending on how many components you got. So yeah, we add in another amp, add in 2, and we are definitely not done. But I was able to get the doors on. So I know it's late, I know it's all dark, but that's the driver's side door. And I had to relocate the gas button right there. But yeah, that's the doors. Lambo doors, customized, now holding 6.5 speakers. So I think it look pretty good myself. But a lot much more to do on this car. A lot much more custom things gonna get done. So see, got Chadwick right there. You see that? Dope. But yeah, my boy gonna come pick the car up. He gotta go to a show next weekend. But after that, we'll get back on it and we'll continue on, knock out the rest of the stuff. Got a lot much more to do on this car, so hopefully next time I can finish at an earlier time. It's late right now. I'm tired. I gotta go to work. Catch y'all next time.
Being chosen in love with the moment, yeah, we got it. They cannot do what we doing, you see how we moving, we got it. Mess with the squad, you try to go against us, I highly doubt it. All of my bros, we got it. They know for sure, we got it. Been on a roll, we got it. We cannot go without it, Mess with the squad, you try to go against us, I highly doubt it. Been on a roll, we got it. We cannot go without it, I be on exotic, can't mess with the toxic, curvy little body be all on me. Keeping it spicy, you know that I got it. If she need it, just call on me. Run up a tab, we running it back. Lil' mama, yeah, you can ball on me. Ride with me, we go vroom, get inside, yeah, it goes on. Hop in, we zoom in, the package be booming. Yeah, we got it.